Selecting the proper submersible water pump is extremely important in order to achieve optimum performance of your pond or water feature. The magnetically driven Aquascape Ultra water pump offers energy-efficient performance, high-volume water flow, and ease of installation, making this pump the perfect solution for providing water to just about any type of decorative water feature. Compact size and a wide range of flow rate options make these pumps the ideal choice for a variety of applications, including decorative fountains, external filters, ornamental spitters, waterfalls, and small ponds. The Ultra Pump can even be converted into a fountain with the optional Ultra Pump Fountain Head Kit. Each Ultra water pump is equipped with a magnetically driven motor that makes them extremely energy efficient, saving hundreds of dollars over traditional pumps. The included pre-filter cage and interior foam pre-filter helps protect the pump from debris and significantly reduces maintenance, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your water feature. A convenient selection of fittings is included with all Ultra water pumps to save you the time and guesswork of locating and selecting the proper fittings. The included flow control valve, threaded elbow, and multi-hose fittings simplify setup and accept a wide variety of pipe diameters. Installation is extremely quick and easy, and the wide flat base and rubber feet stabilize the pump and minimize vibration and noise during use. Aquascape Ultra water pumps also carry a 3-year warranty, ensuring year after year of reliable operation.
At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended and have been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.